If you're looking for a lightweight, two-stroke beast that blends power, precision, and pure fun, the 2026 Yamaha YZ125 might just be your next ride. Let's dive into what makes this legendary bike better than ever. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest in bikes, tech, and gear. Today, we're talking all things YZ125. Design. The 2026 YZ125 keeps its aggressive motocross DNA but refines it with sleeker bodywork, updated graphics, and a slimmer feel that makes it easier to grip and control. The ergonomics are spot on, especially for riders who want a balanced feel in the air and on the ground. Performance. Now, let's talk about that 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, two-stroke engine. It's still a screamer, but Yamaha's added subtle refinements to the power band, giving it a bit more mid-range punch. Perfect for tight corners and quick exits. Paired with the close ratio 6-speed transmission, this bike pulls hard through the gears without missing a beat. Features and technology. Yamaha didn't skimp on modern touches. The revised KYB suspension has been fine-tuned for better feedback and adjustability, while the lighter frame components shave off weight without compromising strength. Braking performance is sharp and predictable, with a front rotor that gives you plenty of bite without locking up. Conclusion. Whether you're a seasoned racer or just getting into two strokes, the 2026 YZ125 delivers classic performance with modern upgrades that matter. If you've ridden the new YZ or have thoughts on two strokes in today's market, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more bike insights just like this. Thanks for watching, and keep it pinned.